I want to report a murder. It was my mother. She kills people.
I don't think you realize who Eva Christensen is. She's not a pushover like the others. She's untouchable.
Untouchable? You have no right to take my daughter away from me. I will not allow it.
Shit, Alice.
Alice!
Are they looking for you?
She said she already went to the police, and they wanted to turn her back to her mother.
And you believed her?
Where are they?
I think I know where she's gone.
They did everything they could to make his agony last for as long as possible.
There is nothing more essential to me than that kid.
Enjoy the party.
You've been a naughty girl, haven't you, Alice? And you know how much that upsets me. Can you feel the excitement, Alice? Can you taste the blood rising in your head?